Hello everyone. Well, today I'd like to congratulate Chaz's lockpicking on 200 subscribers. And today he is having a subscriber giveaway. So he's asking everyone to pick a 6-pin lock, and it has to have at least 3 security driver pins. So I was looking around and I found this pack lock that Lock Pickings gal sent to me a while back, and I just love it. I haven't played with it in a long time, so let's see if I can get this on camera. Here's the bidding on the key, and I believe the way I understand it, you have 6 minutes to pick a lock, and that's for 1 entry. For 2 entry, I think it's between 4 and 5, or I don't know, I have to look at the rules again. And then if you pick it under 3 minutes, and you get 3 entries, and there's 3 different prizes. So anyways, let's just see how I do. Okay. So we're going to start the clock right now. A little click there, felt like on 4. A little click there. I think overset something already. I think I'm doing good now. Got it settled in. Another nice click. Another nice click. I thought I had it, but I don't yet. Number 6. Number 2. Gotcha. All right. I don't know how long that took. I don't think too terribly long. Let's open it up. Now we're supposed to open it up and show the pins. And I've got to get a little tool to open it with. It's only space. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. That stuff's strewn out everywhere. Okay. See if we can get this opened up fairly quickly. Yeah, come on, man. Must be a long screw. You little stinker. Might have got it. Got you now. Okay. Got a pretty little lock. I just love it. Yeah. There we go. 6 pins. Gotta add 6 pins and 3 securities. And I believe there's probably 5 security drivers and 1 standard. Come on, knock them out of there. There we go. 6 pins. Now, these guys out. I got a hair hanging off of my nose. Oh, for heaven's sakes. Need to call housekeeping. Okay. Here comes number 1 is a spool. Number 2. It's got 2 deep serrations. These are cool looking pins, actually. And number 3 is a spool. Flip it around. Not going to bother with the springs because they are all the same. Another spool. And another serrated. Very nice. Okay, I love these locks. So here we are. Number 1's a spool, serrated, spool, serrated, spool, and standard. And there's 6 key pins, which is what Chaz wanted. Anyways, there you are, and congratulations again, Chaz. I'm very happy for you. And thank you everyone for watching, and come back and see me real soon.